Watch out, he might pop it. Oh, Chester! I'm not getting any of you. Videotaping the dog. Oh, I don't want that toy.
Sister, when you bite that, don't blame it on me. I'm coming on you.
Did you almost knock you over?
Why do you even bring the ball?
I don't know. Here, chest stop. There you go. Ah! Oh, he's probably on top of holding it. Get it! Get it, Chester! Chester, get the ball! Get the ball! Get the ball! Get it! It's like bigger than him. Much bigger than him. Get the ball, Chess! What was he like?
He's like,
He doesn't. Did you see that?
Holly, stop doing that videotape to me.
Okay, I will. I didn't get that much of you.
Don't do it.
No, I'm not doing it to you. I'm only doing the dog. See?
Are you going to show your friends?
No.
How come,
Chester!
how come you're videotaping?
Just to put it on my computer.
You have.
Yeah. Run!
I don't have a own. I have a stinky pop-up computer.
Oh, that's okay. That's what I've had on my. I had that for a long time. Look at you, baby.